Hello beautiful viewers, I'm Daniel and I'm back with another new video today. Today's video is going to be about an update about Ice Network Airdrop. Alright, if you have been following me, if you have been in my community, you would know that I posted an update about ongoing Ice Network Airdrop for African users. Okay, that is why I always advise people to join my community, because there are some updates that will come at a short notice and it would be totally unnecessary creating a video for it. So the best way you can get that update from me is by joining my social media community, and you can do so by using the link in the description. You either join Telegram, Facebook, or WhatsApp. So the purpose of creating this video is to inform you that distribution for this Ice Airdrop has begun. Okay, so what you have to do is to check your wallet, and if you do not know how to check your wallet, then this video is for you. Okay, if you don't know where to find this airdrop in your wallet, then this video is for you. Okay, because I'll be showing you step by step on how to find this airdrop in your Bitget exchange, that is for both the web version and the app version. Okay, so first thing first, we're going to check the update for the airdrop on Telegram. Right, so just to refresh your memory. So yes, this was the update they sent, and they said, "Hi Snowman, special giveaway from Bitget Africa community. Bitget will be giving away $1,000 in ice to their new users in Africa, and the duration was just until May 1st. Alright, so I kind of saw this late. That was why I wasn't able to create a video for it. So here's what they said: you have to complete the tasks to enter, and it says, "All the best, ice team." Okay, now if you click on this very link right here, this link that says complete the tasks to enter, it will redirect you to this very page, okay, on your browser. And as you can see right here, it says Africa new exclusive $1,000 ice to be shared. Okay, here's the tasks you need to carry out. You have to join Bitget Africa, and you have to join the Telegram group, and you have to make sure you are KYC'd, and that's it. All right, and if I just scroll down right here, there were tasks we are meant to do, like submit our Bitget UID, join Telegram, their social media handle, and some other tasks I can't really remember right now. But as you can see right here, it says the competition has ended. So how do you know if you passed or qualified for this airdrop? Now it's simple. The only way you know if you qualify for this airdrop is by checking your wallet, because they made a promise that everyone who participated and met the requirements will be given their own share of this airdrop. Okay, so it's 100% guaranteed reward for you. As far as you joined the Telegram handle, you joined X, which is your Twitter, and your account was verified, you registered for Bitget using this very link right here, and your account was KYC'd, then you will get yours. This is the promise they made. So how do you see that? Now I'm going to start with the Bitget Exchange app, then I'm going to go to the web version. Okay, for those of us who have the app already. So to spot your airdrop in the Bitget Exchange, here's what you need to do. You just have to click on this Bitget Exchange right now. Mind you, there are two different apps. One is the Bitget Exchange, and the second is the Bitget wallet. Okay, the link that you were given to perform the airdrop or register for was the Bitget Exchange. Okay, I'll be leaving a link to download the Bitget Exchange app on your phone, okay, so that you not end up downloading this very wallet. All right, so this is the one we're meant to click on, this one that says Bitget. So I'm just going to click on that and open this up right now. So it's loading up. So I'm in my Bitget exchange right now, and to find this very airdrop, here's what you need to do. Okay, to know if you received your own share of the ice, here's what you need to do. Just go ahead and click on this asset section at the bottom right hand corner of your screen. Now once you click on that, you see your airdrop right here in the spot section. Let me just go ahead and click on spot right now, and as you can see right here, 222 eyes was sent to my Bitget exchange app. Okay, so this is it right here. 222 eyes network token was sent to majority of those who participated. I don't know what was sent to you watching this video right now. I can't guarantee that 222 will be sent to you, but from those I've confirmed from, it was 222 eyes. Now for those of us who use the web version of the Bitget exchange, here is what you need to do. Just go over to the web version right now. So right now I'm in the web version of my Bitget exchange. All right, so to find your airdrop, just come over to the asset section right here. Just click on that, and this would load up right now. Now the moment this loads up, okay, all you have to do is to scroll down right now and click on this very box right here that says spot. Okay, so this is what you want to click on. Now the moment you click on spot, this is going to load up and arrive at this very page right now. As you can see, I do not have any fund in this wallet before, but it's now displaying 4016 BTC, and that's because an asset has been transferred to this very wallet. Okay, so for you to see your airdrop, you just have to scroll down, and yes, just like the exchange app, I can see my 222 Ice Airdrop right here, guys. So this is it, the airdrop really arrived. Okay, so the method we used to receive this airdrop was the Bitget exchange and not the wallet. Okay, the BTC point we mined on Satoshi app was from Bitget wallet. All right, the transaction was done through Bitget wallet, but for this it's the exchange. Just in case you don't know, Bitget have two different apps, the exchange and the wallet. So this is it, guys. This is the update I want to bring to your notice today. If you can find yours, just follow the process and you'll get to see it. As long as you met all requirements, you are definitely going to see yours. A lot of people have been sending messages to me telling me they have seen theirs. In fact, they brought it to my notice. I didn't expect to receive it. Okay, so this is it, guys. I hope you really enjoyed the video. If you did, leave a like, don't be stingy with the like, subscribe to the channel and turn on the notification bell so you don't miss out whenever I drop updates like these. And like I said before, for you to stay even more updated, you need to join my small social media community. Alright, you can join anyone using the link in the description of this video. I remain your crypto guide, Daniel Patrick, and I'll see you in my next video. Peace.